Part 5, Strolling Live. Now, to the essence of the book Tufti. You are ready to stroll live. Strolling live will be an unfamiliar state for you at first, with many odd sensations and new experiences. You will not be able to hold this state very long. Try to hold yourself between the inner and outer screens for an hour to start and pay attention to what happens. Start by waking up and ask yourself, where am I? What am I doing? Where is my attention? Right now, you have just woken up and found yourself at the center point. Here I am, and this is the reality that surrounds me. I am aware, I can see myself, and I can see reality. So get into the observation point by telling yourself, I see myself and I see reality. Set yourself the intention. Today I am going to stroll through my movie. Then go for a walk wherever you like, to work or to university, in this state of clarity. And what happens when you stroll live? You free yourself. From this moment on, your dreaming, whether asleep or in waking, it doesn't matter which, becomes conscious. You are in control of yourself, and most importantly, you acquire the capacity to control the situation around you. And so, you take a live stroll through a film when you are fully present and move with the power of intention. Failing this, you are not fully live, and you aren't walking at all. You're just fulfilling a prescribed role. When your awareness is absent, you are not fully yourself. You aren't there at all. You are just a fictional character, like an illustration in a book. You could cut a figure out of paper and insert it between the pages of a book. That is what you are. For now, just try going for a walk and observe what you see. Tufti issues a warning, though. You have woken up in a dream, acquired strength and awareness, while those around you continue to sleep. Unlike you, the people around you are still sleeping. Their attention is occupied, and they are involved in their everyday scenarios, like in a film. Their thoughts are unclear and their actions non-conscious. They are the characters in a film. You, unlike the others around you, have woken up in the dream as if you have stepped from the inner or outer screens down into the cinema hall. Do not think this advantage makes you superior, however. Don't treat others with arrogance or condescension. At any moment, you can leave, return to the movie, and walk around freely among the other characters, regardless of the narrative. Also, at any moment, you can lose your center focus and become once again one of the sleeping characters, walking around in a non-conscious haze.